everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I was getting curious. I have this palette right here. Try and attempt to use every single eyeshadow from this palette on my face. I did not put it to eye because that would be, come on, that's a bit much. So let's try to get this challenge started. Hello everyone. So I usually just use one brush and that's it. Okay, so these white eyeshadows, I'm gonna use them as a highlight color on my eyebrow. So the whites are done. Damn. This is quite the challenge, but I've always wondered like how can you even, because like we buy all this looking at YouTubers and all, can we actually finish it up? That's a question. Oh my god, how do you mix blue, purple, pink? I could do like a rainbow eye. Ooh, that was really trendy in a bit, at a point, right? Oh, how about unicorn? Hey, unicorns are always nice, right? Okay, you know what? First of all, I'm going to put the white in the inner corner as well. Can we focus? There we go. We've got some highlight on the eye. I have no freaking clue what I'm going to do. Okay. I have no idea how to start. What colors go together? Okay, by mixing, so I'm going to mix these popsicle shades here. These look like popsicle shades, right? And I'm going to mix all of these. Let's see what color comes up. That's pretty, right? But I'm not going to cover a lot of my eye because I have no plan with this, promise, okay? No normal person uses so many eyeshadows. So what I'm going to do, babies, I'm going to put purples. Oh my god, that actually looks really pretty. Why have I never tried that before? Whoa, because it messes up like this. Because I feel like we've been having the nude makeup looks, the Kardashian Jenner nude makeup looks for too long now. And I just want to take out all of my frustration with no colors in the makeup market in one makeup look. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So I've got the purples. What goes with purple? For now, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the browns, okay? I'm gonna put the brown in the crease here. Can I actually, I think I might just be able to use all these colors together. By the way, I already have mascara on because I was wearing it and then I didn't feel like taking it off. So can you see, I'm just putting it at the corners, not in the crease, because I've left the space in the crease for something even better. What if this just ends up being a really beautiful look? I would be so happy. By the way, this new trick I've learned, if you want to clean your brush and you don't have a brush cleaner, you just rub the dry brush on a dry tissue. Clean it up quite well. Now I'm taking the grays. No, I'm taking the black. One black I have and put it in the crease. Whoa, I've not used black eyeshadow on my eyelid in a long time. Okay. Wow, this black is not pigmented. I was so scared of picking it up, but there's literally nothing on it. Okay, now we get it. I thought I would just fast forward this, but it's fun to chit chat. Do you see how much fallout there's on my cheek? Like, damn, I might be up to something here. This might turn out quite well if there was no fallout here. Like, there's dust all over, like literally, man. Why does this look good right now? I feel like taking the silver. Yeah, I'm taking the silvers and I'm putting the silvers at the bottom. Why does this look so good? Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, this is bomb. But now I'm gonna ruin it by putting in green. How do I even put green? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put green at the end. Greens together. Is it cheating if I'm taking all the, like I've got greens, so I'm mixing all the greens? Is that cheating? Are you considering that as cheating? I mean, you guys are the rule keepers, come on. Oh shit. Can you see that? Just ruined it. I'm just always really fascinated by green eyeshadow colors. It's just really attractive, but I feel like I can never get a really nice and pretty eyeshadow look going on. Like I have a lot of green makeup looks. Go and check it out on my channel. I have a lot of green makeup looks, but none of them are good enough, I think. Okay, do you see this? What the hell is that all about? I did not sign up for that, but okay. You can barely tell that there are like so many eyeshadow colors already. Does that mean my eyeshadows are bad or I blend good? Okay, now somehow I have to fit purples. Oh, purple I've already done, right? I have to fit blue into this mix. I might ruin it or I might be onto something. I'm gonna mix the blue and the black and I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, man, just going for it. I have a lot of cleaning up to do after this because my cheeks look crazy. My face looks like a dirt bag, man. I don't even see all the colors. What the hell is with that? I'm gonna put orange in the inner corner. We need some orange in this. Now that there is so much fallout, I'm not even concerned about the fallout because I'm like, whatever, man, at this point. Like, I feel like what I'm doing here is like how you do with your eyebrows. Like, I'll pluck a little bit here, little bit here, little bit here, little bit here, and then you have no eyebrows left, right? I am tapping into eyeshadow colors I've never tapped before, man. Yeah, now you can see some color in this, and I'm not gonna blend it out too much because then it becomes a muddy color and I actually want to see all my eyeshadows today, right? Okay, now I've got red left. Red is left. I kind of want to do it in the middle of my eye, so reds. Come on, baby. I've never used reds from this. Can you believe that? Never ever so far. Because red is like a tricky color, right? It can make you look really tired. So I'll do red in the middle. Ooh. Yo, I'm back, people. Did a nice winged eye, touched up my mascara. The lip product is a combination of 3 products, I'll let you know. But I really wanted to show you this trick to get the fallout out. So this is a translucent powder from Rimmel London. I'm gonna take quite a bit of the powder on this, not shake it off. Okay, and then just gonna do this. Ugh. Can you see how that just cleaned it all off and brightened my under eyes? Yes. I don't know why in this lighting my face looks super white, but in real life it looks good. I'm using the pink color from the eyeshadow palette itself. Man, this camera setting, I tell you, is making me look so white. I need some warm lighting. But yeah, this is a complete makeup look. I think it looks pretty bomb. I never like, I can actually wear this out sometime. I never imagined I would be able to wear it and this would actually be successful, but I'm so pleasantly surprised. Like, do you like it? Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm all up for like being out there. I want to be natural, but when I want to be out there, I want to be out there, and you can't go more out there than this. I think it's pretty fun, especially for New Year's. If you throw a little bit of glitter in the middle of the eye, that would be just the perfect touch. I'm glad I did this challenge. Well, I kind of want to do this with my other makeup palettes as well. Let me know if you want me to use all eyeshadows from my eyeshadow palette, because I mean, of course, you use some eyeshadows and what do you do with the rest of the eyeshadow palette, right? It's just there. So how about we use it, try to experiment and use it in different ways. So let me know if you would like me to use my other palettes and use every single eyeshadow from that, and I would love to do that for you. Yeah.